Hello wonderful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make curry goats. These are all the ingredients we need to make these delicious curry goats. Fresh thyme, spring onions, celery sticks, fresh ginger, 2 yellow peppers, garlic cloves and onions, ground turmeric, parsley, ground cumin powder, salt, some seasoning cube, hot curry powder and some goat meat. Cut the spring onions and put in a blender. Roughly cut the celery sticks and put inside the blender. Add some garlic cloves inside the blender. Add peppers inside the blender. You can add less or more depending on your taste. At this point I'm adding some fresh thyme into the blender. I love using ginger when I cook, so I'm using a little ginger in this mixture. Add the ginger into the blender. Slice some onions and put into the blender. Add some water into the blender so you can be able to blend the mixture. It is time to season the meat. I'll be using hot curry powder. I got this curry powder in my local store. I used about 3 tablespoons of curry powder. I added some black peppers. Right now I'm adding ground turmeric. I'm also adding a teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin powder, a teaspoon of salt, some seasoning cube. It's time to add my blended green mixture. I'm adding more fresh thyme to the meat and also cutting more onions. I want it to be very spicy. Slicing more spring onions into the meat. I want it to be delicious. You can also use your hands to turn the meat. I added 1 more tablespoon of curry powder. I want it to be spicy. Turn till everything is well mixed. Cover the goat meat with a cling film and leave till the next morning so it can marinate. This is the next day. You can see how the meat looks. You can marinate for 2 hours or 3 hours if you don't have all the time to marinate overnight. Add a drop of oil into the pot and put in some garlic and spring onions. I love garlic a lot, so you'll see garlic in my food. Some fresh thyme. Pour the meat into the pot and allow to steam before adding your hot boiling water. Add 3 cups of hot boiling water into the pot. After 45 minutes, check your curry goat. Cover and leave to boil for another 30 minutes. The curry goat is starting to look yummy, yummy, yummy. At this point, you can add more water if your curry goat is still not yet cooked. Look at that. My curry goat is ready. I'm stirring and you can see the liquid is so thick. Some people usually use potatoes to thicken their mixture, but I did not use potatoes. But you can use potatoes in your own curry goat. Guys, if you want to impress your family, cook them a curry goat. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.